This is me fishing at Canyon Lake. I'd been there since about 4 in the morning and caught a couple on topwater in the morning. Just wasn't recording, it was too dark. But here's me picking one up off the Wacky Rig Cinco at about 10.
There we go. There's one. There's one, let's go. Woohoo!
I think I've found I get a majority of my bites during the heat of the day at about 12 to 18 feet.
It's a good fish.
This rod and reel combo is a graphite power mesh Daiwa combo. I think it's from the 90s, but I got it from my uncle who passed away not too long ago. I put some fresh line on it and brought him fishing with me today.
Oh shit. Here we go. Oh. There we go.
I was only using 4-pound vicious sunline.
Nice.
Yeah, that's why I was playing with my drag so much.
There we go. There we go. Look at that.